What is good, guys? Welcome to the video. Now, as you can see by the title, I did make $750 in one single day. Now, before I hop on the computer and give you guys a complete breakdown of the trades that I took, I just want to show you proof that I did take these trades on MetaTrader and that this is on a live account. Now, it says one trade was taken on the 12th and one was taken on the 13th. That's only because I took one trade right before 12 a.m. and the other after 12 a.m. However, both of these trades were taken in the same trading session. All right, so let's hop on the computer and I'm going to give you guys a complete breakdown of the two trades that I took. Now, the first trade was a scalp on AUDJPY on the 15-minute time frame. Now, I don't usually trade on the lower time frames. I'm usually a swing trader and use the 4-hour or the daily. However, I have been practicing scalping on the 15-minute time frame, basically just using price action. So obviously we're in a very nice downtrend. We had a little retracement here and then a continuation to break the low. Now, I put my Fibonacci from the high to the low since we did make a new low here. And now I just wanted to wait and see where price would go before continuing the downtrend again. So right now I noticed that we're kind of in a range. So I'm just going to wait for a nice setup. So each one of these candles is 15 minutes. As you can see, I've already waited almost an hour, which is what trading is. It requires a lot of patience. So right here, we're still in this nasty range. I do not want to take any trades within this range. However, I did notice that we have a nice level of support being formed now, once here and once here. So in my head, I knew that if we were to break below this support and close below it, and then see a retracement here to kind of form some kind of resistance, this is where I will enter my trade. And I'll put my stop loss above this zone and target maybe 10 or so pips. All right, so as you can see, we did break out of this range towards the upside. However, like I said, I'm only looking for sells. So I'm not going to enter here just because it broke this range to the upside. So again, I'm just waiting, and bam. All right, we see a very big push downward. And price came right back into this range. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for another clean candle to close below this zone, another one to come back and retest this zone as resistance, and then I'm going to enter my trade after the next bearish candle. As you can see, that is exactly what happened. So as you can see, we did have a nice clean candle that closed very clearly below this level of support. And we did have this bullish candle here, which is basically just a retracement. And now in order to enter this trade, I needed a bearish candle to close again below this zone. Okay, and once this candle closes, I'm going to enter right here at the close of this candle, put my stop loss right above the candle, so like a 7 pip stop loss, and then I'm just going to target a new low. And this is exactly how the trade turned out. That's it. It only took one candle, guys. I could have held my trade for longer and put my stops to break even. However, my goal was to just gain 10 pips. I did use a very high lot size. I did take this trade with 5 lots, 2 2.5s, and that is why a 10 pip gain was worth $500. All right, so one more time, we had this very nice level of support. We wanted to wait for a nice close below the support, a retest as resistance, a nice bearish candle to close, and then we'll enter right at the close of that candle for a new low to form. Now I'm going to go to the next trade, which was taken on AUD/USD. I came onto the chart right around here. Pretty much the same concept. We were in a downtrend and I'm only looking for sells here. I came onto the chart looking at this very nasty range. I kind of wanted to wait until we broke out of this range for price to come up maybe right here and then continue the downtrend. So I'm just waiting. As you can see, price broke out of the range, so now I'm looking to enter. I also want to point out when this happens, you have a very strong bullish push, and then you have 3 bullish candles that close very small. This shows a loss of momentum. This shows that buyers are failing to push price higher. And then now we see this very large bearish candle. Fast forward some more. I'm still waiting for a good opportunity to enter. And bam. So we have this little level of support here. Price broke down came back up to retest, and now I just want to wait for this bearish candle to close, right? I'm going to enter my trade right here and put my stop loss right above the candle for a 3 pip stop loss. Now that's very tight, but I did take a high lot size, and then I'm just going to target this zone a little bit below it, just like that. This is the exact trade that I took, and this is how it turned out. As you can see, we smashed our take profit. Again, guys, breaking down this trade, we had this bullish momentum. The momentum slowed down with these 3 candles that closed very, very small. Then we had this very, very large engulfing bearish candle. So at this point in time, I wanted to wait for a retest, which is what we got here. A nice bearish candle to close, and I'm going to take my trade right at that close, put my stop loss above the candle, and target the support that was formed right here. And this is how the trade turned out. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video or learned something new. Comment any questions you have below, and subscribe if you want to see more free educational videos in the future. I am coming out with the Telegram soon. It is going to be coming out January 1st, 2021. So look out for that. I'm going to start the Telegram right at the start of the new year. I look forward to you guys joining it and trading with me, because I'm just going to be sending out signals for every single trade that I take personally. So look forward to that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.